Hello, welcome to our classes. I am Dr. K.K. Misra. This video tutorial is on multiple choice questions on banking operations management. This is part 2. Question number 1. Which of the following is the recently opened bank in India? A. IDFC, B. Bandhu, C. Axis, D. Gunjan. Correct option is A. IDFC. 2. Basel norms are related to the A. Insurance sector, B. Telecommunication, C. Real estate, D. Banking sector. Correct option is D. Banking sector. 3. Which of the following is not the monetary tool? A. CRR, B. SLR, C. Deficit financing, D. Open market operations. Correct option is C. Deficit financing. 4. How much interest is paid by the RBI on the money deposited under the CRR measure? A equal to the rate of CRR, B more than the CRR, C less than the CRR, D no interest is paid by the RBI. Correct option is D, no interest is paid by the RBI. 5. Who is responsible for the supply of coins in India? A. Reserve Bank of India, B. Ministry of Finance, C. Ministry of Commerce and Industry, D. Bankers Association of India. Correct option is B. Ministry of Finance. 6. RBI increases the rate of interest in the situation of A. Higher inflation, B. Lower inflation, C. In the pressure of commercial banks, D. None. Correct option is B. Lower inflation. 7. Who has the maximum intake in the total capital of NABARD? A. Government of India, B. Combined intake of commercial banks, C. RBI, D. Bankers Association of India. Correct option is C. RBI. 8. Which of the following is not the function of RBI? A. Custodian of foreign currency, B. Printing of currency, C. Controller of credit, D. Issuance of coins. Correct option is C. Issuance of coins. 9. Basel's second norms become effective from A. January 2014, B. April 2012, C. January 2013, D. March 2019. Correct option is D. March 2019. 10. The number of banks nationalized in 1969 was A. 8, B. 10, C. 14, D. 16. Correct option is C. 14. 11. Dash refers to that portion of total deposits with a commercial bank has to keep the central bank. A. SLR, B. Bank rate, C. CRR, D. None. Correct option is C. CRR. 12. The number of branch officers of commercial banks in 2006 was modified. A. 65,000, B. 65,500, C. 69,616, D. 69,500. Correct option is C. 69,616. 13. Out of 5.6 lakh villages, how many are served by the commercial bank? A. 1 lakh, B. 10 lakh, C. 5,000, D. None. Correct option is C. 5,000. 14. Dash is the rate at which the central bank discounts the bills of commercial banks. A. SLR, B. Bank rate, C. CRR, D. WOM. Correct option is B. Bank rate. 15. In terms of deposit mobilization, Dash leads other states. A. UP, B. Maharashtra, C. Kerala, D. Bihar. Correct option is B. Maharashtra. 16. The number of banks in India at the time of independence was A. 640, B. 645, C. 650, D. 655. Correct option is B. 645. 17. The bank lending in June 2006 was it is updated 1. A. 10,93,000, B. 12,69,090, C. 13,69,090, D. 14,69,090. Here correct option is A. 10,93,000. This is in crores. 18. In terms of lending, priority sector constitute about dash of total bank lending. A. 60, B. 80, C. 30, D. 40. Correct option is A. 60. 19. How many banks were nationalized in 1980? A. 6, B. 14, C 20, D 30. Correct option is A 6. 20. Monetary policy of a country is managed by A. Central Bank, B. Finance Ministry, C. Commercial banks, D. Board of Revenue. Correct option is A. Central Bank. 21. A central bank differs from a commercial bank in that first, it is the bank of the state, second, it has the largest reserves, third, it oversees commercial banking system. So, from among the options available, here only option C is correct, that is first and third statements only. 22. The interest rate at which commercial banks can borrow money from the central bank is known as A. Yield, B. Repo, C. Discount rate, D. Policy rate. Correct option is D. Policy rate. 23. Treasury bills are also in short known as T-bills are issued by government to dash money. A. Lend, B. Borrow, C. Invest, D. Save. Correct option is B. Borrow. 24. Which of the following is considered the safest investment? A. T-bills, B. Stocks, C. Corporate bills, D. Government bonds. Correct option is A. Treasury bills. 25. A repurchase agreement known as repo is a form of short-term dash by the central bank. A. Borrowing, B. Lending, C. Saving, D. Adjustment. Correct option is A. Borrowing. 26. Which of the following statement is true about repo and reverse repo interest rate? So here from the options available, option B is correct, that is reverse repo is higher than repo. 27. Replacement of an existing loan with another loan is known as A. Borrowing, B. Reborrowing, C. Financing, D. Refinancing. Correct option is D. Refinancing. 20. The risk-free interest rate is the rate of return of an investment which has dash risk. A. 0, B. Minimum, C. Adjustable, D. Diversifiable. Correct option is A. 0. 29. What interest rate is considered as a benchmark for which global banks lend to one another for short-term loans? A. Treasury yield, B. Coupon yield, C. Libor, D. Kibor. Correct option is C. Libor. 30. The function of central bank or state bank of controlling money supply to achieve macroeconomic goals and sustainable economic growth is known as A. Fiscal policy, B. Monetary policy, C. Credit management, D. Sustainable development goals. Correct option is B. Monetary policy. 31. Which of the following is not among functions of a central bank? So all of the above are functions of a central bank in fact. D is correct. So this was all about this video tutorial. I hope that you have liked it, and if you have liked it, please do not forget to subscribe my channel, our classes, and press the bell button and pass it on to others, those who are needy now and in the future. Thank you. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Best of luck.